Math is counting all your friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's adding and subtracting. All you have to do is try.
Do math, because math is the best.
All right, we learned that to evaluate, we're just going to do some substitutions or replacements. Well, here's my function, and I have two inputs, so I'm just going to take this problem and write it twice. Okay. G of t equals 1/4 t plus 1. I'm going to write it twice. G of t equals 1/4 t plus 1. So that looks kind of weird when you see two letters there. This is your function notation. And this is your hint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this above my inputs. G of t. G of t. This is the same. This is different. In this input, it's telling us replace every t value with -24. Replace every t value with -24. Let's do that. G of -24 equals 1/4 times -24 plus 1. I have a fraction times a whole number. Cos, how do I make that a fraction? Put a 1 under it. And then we're just going to multiply across. G of -24 equals, Cos, what's 1 times -24? -24, and 4 times 1. And then here we're just going to do our order of operations, right? We did multiplication going left to right, now it's division. So -24 divided by 4. -6 plus 1. Yeah, -6 plus 1 is -5. So my answer is G of -24. My input is -24. When I put it in there, I got -5. Remember, you can make that as an order pair. What's my order pair? Comma, -5. So this is our first answer. Okay, let's go ahead and try that second example. What do we know about the second problem? Do you see what you have to do as your clue? Write it above. Everyone say above. That way you can see as a clue, t is going to be what value? 100. Let's do it. G of 100 equals 1/4 of 100 plus 1. G of 100 equals, that's a 100. How do you make 100 a fraction? What's in my numerator? 100 over 4. 100 divided by 4 is? 25 plus 1 is? G of 100 equals 26. Therefore, my order pair is 100, comma 26. So for function notation, you're still doing a substitution. You're essentially evaluating. The only difference is we have this thing called function notation. Place it above your input as a clue, and it tells you what to substitute. Number 3, it tells us if f of x equals 2x plus 5, find each value. And then it tells us for number 3, it says f parentheses minus 8. Okay? So in this problem we have function notation. It was written in a way that I would probably just rewrite the function here, f of x equals 2x plus 5. And class, what are we going to write above or below?
X.
Right, f of x. Partner B, whisper to partner A, what is your x value? Another person, tell them the answer. The x value is? Class, what is our x value? Negative 8. So every x value I'm going to replace with a negative 8. I'm going to do a substitution. Class, tell me what's right.
F of negative 8 equals 2.
Class, does that mean 2 minus 8? What does it mean? And I'm still doing PEMDAS, right? So if you're stuck, write PEMDAS on the side. So then I'm like, okay, there's no parentheses, no exponents. I'm going to do multiplication. So 2 times negative 8 is? 16. And negative 16 plus 5? What is it?
Negative 11.
Negative 11. In class, what is the order pair?
Negative 8. Negative.
And this is our answer. So in function notation, it's a little bit confusing when you see 2 letters, okay? Write that above your hint, your input. This is the same, this is different. It's telling you what to substitute.
All right, the key is inside or outside the parentheses? Inside the parentheses. If you write w of x, that's just the function name, right? Mr. Ivan's in the back. I'm Mr. Ng. That's our name. But very specifically, it's going to tell you every x value put in what class? Negative 8. That's our substitution. So we've been learning about evaluating functions. You put it in. It's a little bit warmer today, so make sure you wore your what? Deodorant. So your substitution should be in parentheses. And then we don't forget your Aunt Sally order of operations. What do we do first? Oh, we times, not 4 minus 8. 4 times negative 8, which is what? Negative 32. Good thing about your quizzes, I pretty much graded about 95% of them. A lot of you guys were not making the mistake of basic arithmetic like this. The issues were order of operations. So negative 32 plus 5 is what? Negative 27. And we box our answers. All right, so the key is where? Inside or outside the parentheses? Inside, right there is the key. You can put h of x, that's the name of the function. X equals 2. Whoops, you can't see anything. Okay, so h of 2 equals 2 times 2 plus 5. Class, should we do 2 plus 5 or 2 times 2? How did you know that? Oh, PEMDAS, order of operations. Your aunt is always with us. H of 2 equals 9. All right, everyone put your finger on the key. What's the key to this problem? The key is there in the where? Inside or outside? Where is it? Inside the parentheses. Okay, I keep doing that, so if you do that too. G of x is probably what you're used to, but this one has n values, so our input are n's. The answer will be the output. So let's put 6. Today was really cool. We saw a student put in parentheses even at the variable that helped to remind them that the 6 goes on the inside. What do we do next? Multiply, yes, PEMDAS, 24 minus 5, and our answer is 19. Raise your hand if you got 19. Good job. Okay, so for this problem, the secret is g of n right here. Inside the parentheses is the key. It's telling us that every n value is going to turn into 1. G of 1 equals 1 plus 2. And that's pretty simple. You don't need the parentheses, so your answer is G of 1 equals 3. Remember, this will be your input, that'll be your output. That's your X, that's your Y.
Remember not to write all your math papers in ink. Remember to show all your work if you don't want to see. Remember to test, stay, and prepare for it wholly. Because if you don't, then you'll perform poorly.